Best deals.
1. Collapsible bucket. The flexible foldable is very easy for use. You can use it for home or outdoor activity, such as car washing, laundry, watering, camping, fishing, hiking. It can be folded easily for saving space when not in use. It is very easy to handle and use, collapsible and easy to store when not in use. This bucket turns space saving into an art form. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cleaning brush. The handle of the cleaning brush is made of high-quality PP material, which is durable, and the bristles of the laundry brush are made of high-quality nylon silk, which is thick and soft. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Handy caddy. Features one long section and two smaller sections for organizing spray bottles, trash bags, clothes, brushes and more. Easily and comfortably towed this caddy from one location to the next. It's equipped with a molded-in handle in the middle. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Rubber brush. By simply applying friction to the appropriate surfaces, the brush generates a static charge that pulls unwanted fur and dirt into its rubber bristles, ensuring thorough cleaning without much effort. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cloth drying rope. Featuring a cloth drying rope with hooks. It also functions as a clothes drying hanger, a clip hanger, cloth pins for drying clothes and a cloth clip, making it a must-have for every household. The clip hangers for clothes are designed to secure your clothes firmly. The clips for clothes are strong and durable, ensuring your clothing items won't fall off during windy, ideal for small apartments or spaces with limited drying area. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Washing bowl. Featuring a robust design with a thick, durable material, this washing board offers exceptional strength and longevity. The reinforced bottom and rim ensure a strong bearing capacity, providing you with a reliable tool for extended use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Soap holder. With slanting design for easy water draining through its channel, allows soap getting rinse all water after the use. Powerful vacuum suction provided at bottom for proper sticking to the surface. Made up of high-quality plastic and long-time durability. Ideal to be used in washrooms, wash basins, kitchen sinks or common toilet area. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Feet cleaner. The massager slipper is used to clean and massage your feet from heel to toe, giving you clean and smooth feet. It's more easy and convenient. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Washing machine. Crafted from TRP particles, food-grade material, with the material of edible silicone, the washer is specially suitable for washing baby cloth. It can be folded by light pressure. The height after folding is about 4 inches, which does not take up space and is convenient to carry. One touching button to control. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Bath mat. Made of durable, phthalate-free PVC plastic which monitored by German TUV environment, the shower mat uses a safe anti-slip layer can stay firm while being gentle on bathroom textured surfaces. No harm for air in your body. Bath mat for tub has a rough surface with many suction cups, the anti-slip layer on its bottom holding the mat steadily in place. A very good choice for children or elders family. Mats are easily washable, just using a shower head to rinse out the foam. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Shoes wash bags. The laundry bag has a cushion, making it easy to use with shoes and washing machines. The storage space is separated from the left and right to prevent your shoes from banging together, and the double-layer mesh prevents vibration. Elastic band is included to protect the zipper part. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Corner organizer. Organizer includes 2 tiers shower shelf corner with 4 movable hooks. Hooks can hang bath sponge, washcloth and brush. You can adjust the distance between 1 tier's black shower shelf. Shower shelves can satisfy more holding space for shampoo, conditioner, razor, body washing, facial cleanser, and other clean or shower accessories. Shower shelf is made of aluminum material, hard and durable, no rust, no fading and no deformation. You can use the rust-proof corner shower shelf for years. Thickened design can promise to hold more weight, up to 40 pounds. The hollow bottom design helps drain fast, to keep bath accessories clean and dry. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Clothes drying rack. Made of stainless steel poles and durable plastic materials, height adjustable and easy to move, can hold large loads of clothes with its strong metal frame. The stainless steel premium double pole construction enables the rack to be used both indoors and outdoors, in dry or wet environments. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cloth drying rope. The portable clothesline is easily fixed by two strong hooks, which are made of metal and very strong. Our portable traveling clothes can be attached anywhere: hotel, bathroom, backyard, home, laundry, boat, balcony, and even attached to trees. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Door closer. Suitable for doors, or doors with a slightly stronger closing force. Doors that open left and right, wooden and metal doors, residential and commercial doors. The installation method is simple and easy to operate. The attached hexagon wrench can adjust the size of the wire buckle and fix it. Small copper tube design effectively avoids steel wire rolling up. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cleaning brush. Easy to disassemble and replace. Open the rubber pad of the multifunctional clothes brush. Introduce the cleaning pour into the liquid storage tank. Freely control the amount of detergent to save detergent, a good helper for housewives. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Toothpaste dispenser. Toothbrush rack with drawer and top compartments for storage other things, which helps to have less clutter on the counter. Reinforced magnet ensures the cups are securely attached to the toothbrush rack. You don't have to worry the cup falling. With automatic toothpaste dispenser, which squeezes out a certain amount of toothpaste you need, preventing the waste of toothpaste. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Pads. Unique texture grips to furniture and floor, stops any furniture from sliding in any hard floor without sticky tape or nails, best protection for your wooden, laminate or tiled flooring in your lovely home. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Organizer. Is super easy to install as it comes with plug-and-play parts. Top storage has open-able helmet screen which acts as dust cover to protect items from dust. Easily move the skids organizer from one room to other. Lock the wheel after moving to stop it from moving. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Stool. Made of high-quality plastic and internal structural design as honeycomb that makes the step stool extra strong and safe. Super strong folding step stool is made for children and adults and can carry up to 90 kg. Product link is given in the 20th link. Thanks for watching.